Hello students, subscribers, and viewers. There is another problem on indeterminate beams with support settlement solved by the slope deflection equations. So, by slope deflection equations, determine the internal moments at B, C, D, and E. Support downward movements are A 5 mm, B 10 mm, C 13 mm, D 6 mm, E 2 mm. EI is 150,000 kilonewton meter square. So actually this problem is also solved in structural analysis 10.9.3 by the three moment equations. So we just verify that the answers here are similar to that of the three moment equations. So that's why I'm just asking for the internal moments at B, C, D, and E because the support reactions at A and B were already determined. So there are two slope deflection equations applicable. The first one is applicable for interior spans and even for spans as long as the end points of the span have expected moments. So 2ei over L, quantity 2 theta near plus theta far minus 3 delta over L plus fixed end moment near. And the other equation applicable when one end of that span has zero moment or no moment at all is 3ei over L quantity theta near minus delta over L plus fixed moment near minus 1/2 fixed moment far. So for AB, because we anticipate that the moment at A is 0, so we only set up MBA where B is the near end and it is in the right side of the segment. So moment BA is, we use this equation here, 3 EI 150,000 over L9, quantity theta near, which is B, the first letter here, minus delta over L. Now, delta is treated positive because the chord AB rotates clockwise as indicated here. And so minus, the original formula is minus delta over L. So delta is treated positive 5 mm or 0.005 meter over 9. Then plus fixed moment at B due to this load is positive because it is in the right side, WL square over 20 minus fixed moment at A, which is expected negative, so minus 1/2, that's the formula there, negative of 54 L square over 30. So you also familiar with the fixed moment formulas for loadings that are covering the entire span. So it is 50,000 theta B. The value here is side sway moment, by the way, is uh, negative 6EI delta over L square. So minus 250 over 9. Then the combined value here is 291.6. So simplifying, MBA is 50,000 theta B plus 11872 over 45. Call that equation 1. Then for MBC, so interior span with expected moments at B and C. So it is 2EI over L7 quantity 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 delta over L. Again, delta, which is 13 minus 10, 3 mm is treated positive because the rotation of chord BC is again clockwise. That's the sign convention for slope deflection equation. But the universal sign convention, remember, counterclockwise positive. Then, fixed moment due to the load is negative because B is left of BC. So negative P AB square over L square. So negative 45, A is 3, B is 4 square over L square 7 square. So simplifying, that's 600,000 theta b over 7 plus 300,000 theta c over 7, then this value is negative 2,700 over 49, and this value is negative 2160 over 49. Combining, MBC is 600,000 theta b over 7 plus 300,000 over 7 theta c minus 4860 over 49. Call that equation 2. MCB is, we just interchange coefficient, so 300,000 over 7 theta b plus 600,000 over 7 theta c, then minus 2,700 over 49, and plus, due to the load, positive this time. You just interchange the squared quantity there. 45 3 square 4 over 7 square, and simplifying, MCB 300,000 over 7 theta b plus 600,000 theta c over 7 minus 1,080 over 49. Call that equation 3. MCD is again interior span, so 2 times 150,000 over 6, quantity 2 theta c plus theta d, minus 3 times, this time the chord CD rotates counterclockwise, and the difference is 7 mm, so 7 mm is treated negative this time, so minus 3 times negative 0.007 over L6, then minus fixed moment at C, which is negative WL square over 12, C is in the left, so negative 36 C square over 12. So MCD is 100,000 theta C plus 50,000 theta D. This value is 175, and fixed moment due to the load negative 108. Combining MCD 100,000 theta C plus 50,000 theta D plus 67. Then MDC interchange coefficients, 50,000 theta C plus 100,000 theta D plus 175 plus 108, because the fixed moment at D is the same due to the load but positive. So 283. Call that equation 5. 175 plus 108 is 283. MDE is 2EI. We expect moment at D, so 2EI over L8. Quantity 2 theta D. Theta E, because E is fixed, 0. Then minus 3 times, again, the rotation of chord DE is counterclockwise. So 6 minus 2 is 4 mm. 4 mm is treated negative. So minus 3 times negative 0.004 over L, which is 8. Then plus fixed moment due to the couple. So we don't mind the sign. We just evaluate the formula 150 mb over L square, quantity L 2L minus 3b. So L m 150, b is 5, distance of the load of the couple load from the right, over L square, quantity 2L minus 3 times b. So 75,000 theta d. So the value here is 225 over 4, and this value is 375 over 32. Combining, so MDE is 75,000 theta d plus 2175 over 32. Call that equation 6. Then finally, MED is supposedly 2 theta E plus theta D. So since it is theta E that is doubled but 0, and we divide 75,000 by 2, so 37,500 theta D, then plus 225 over 4, which remains the same, then fixed moment due to the load MA over L square, 2L minus 3A. A is 3 this time, so 2 times 8 minus 3 times 3 times 150 times 3 over 8 square. Combining, that's 3375 over 32 combined with 225 over 4. Call that equation 7. So MED 37,500 theta D plus 3375 over 32. Then we apply equilibrium at B. MBA plus MBC equals 0. So you add equation 1 and equation 2 and equate it to 0. The simplified equation would be 950,000 theta B over 7 plus 300,000 theta C over 7 equals negative 164.6385. Call that equation A. Then apply equilibrium at C. MCB plus MCD equals 0. So CB equation 3, CD equation 4, add equations 3 and 4, then equate it to 0. The simplified value is 300,000 theta B over 7 plus 1,300,000 theta C over 7 plus 50,000 theta D equals negative 2,203 over 49. Call that equation B. Then apply equilibrium at D. MDC plus MDE equals 0. So that is MDC equation 5 plus equation 6 equals 0. The simplified equation would be 50,000 theta C plus 175,000 theta D equals negative 11,231 over 32. Call that equation C. Then use your calculator in solving equations B, C, and D, A, B, and C simultaneously, and we obtain theta B negative 1.42774 times 10 to the negative 3. So it is negative, means counterclockwise, but in matrix structural analysis, this is positive because counterclockwise is positive. Theta C is 6.79622 times 10 to the negative 4, and theta D is negative 2.19971 times 10 to the negative 3. Unitless or radians, that's the units of this angle. MB therefore, which is equal to MBC, substitute into this equation 2 here, 600,000 over 7 times theta B plus 300,000 over 7 times theta C, then minus 4860 over 49. So MB is negative 192.45 kilonewton meter, which is the same answer as in three-moment equations. So you just verify that from structural analysis 9.3. MC equals MCD, so substitute here in equation 4, 100,000 theta C plus 50,000 theta D plus 67, and you'll get 24.977 kilonewton meter. So it is the same as in three-moment equations. MD is MDE is equation 6, 75,000 theta D plus 2175 over 32. So MD is negative 97.010 kilonewton meter. Then finally, ME is the negative of MED. So the negative of this value here. So negative 37,500 theta D plus 3375 over 32. Then close. So it is negative 22.980 kilonewton meter, as which is the same as in three-moment equation. So that's it for this video. I do not prolong the video.